right, let's dive into the world of beets and uncover their incredible power as superfood. Today, we're going to talk about a vegetable that often doesn't get the credit it deserves. That's right, we're unlocking the power of beets and their amazing health benefits that many people are totally sleeping on. So, what's the deal with beets as superfood grains? Well, these vibrant veggies are like little nutrient powerhouses packed with all sorts of good stuff that can do wonders for your health. Now, let's get into the nitty-gritty of why beets are so amazing. These guys are loaded with antioxidants, fiber, and essential vitamins and minerals that your body craves. It's like a nutritional jackpot in every bite. Introduction to beets. Beets, scientifically known as Beta vulgaris, have been cultivated for thousands of years and have a storied history dating back to ancient civilizations. Originally grown for their greens, it wasn't until the Roman era that the root became popular as a food source. Today, beets are grown worldwide and come in various colors, including red, golden, white, and even striped varieties like the Kyoja beet. Beets are incredibly versatile and can be consumed in various forms, including raw, cooked, juiced, or even pickled. They are known for their earthy, slightly sweet flavor and their ability to complement a wide range of dishes. However, beyond their culinary appeal, beets are packed with essential nutrients, making them a valuable addition to any diet. Nutritional profile of beets. Beets are a powerhouse of nutrition, offering a wide array of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Here's a closer look at the nutritional components that make beets a superfood. Vitamins and minerals. Vitamin C. Beets are a good source of vitamin C, an essential nutrient that supports the immune system, aids in collagen production, and acts as an antioxidant to protect cells from damage. Folate. Also known as vitamin B9, folate is crucial for DNA synthesis and repair, making it particularly important for pregnant women and individuals with high cell turnover. Potassium. This essential mineral helps regulate blood pressure, supports nerve function, and maintains electrolyte balance. Manganese. Manganese is involved in bone formation, blood clotting, and reducing inflammation. Iron. Beets contain iron, which is vital for the production of hemoglobin and red blood cells. Antioxidants. Beets are rich in antioxidants, including betalains, which give them their vibrant color. Betalains have been shown to have anti-inflammatory and detoxifying properties, helping to protect cells from oxidative stress. Dietary fiber. Beets are an excellent source of dietary fiber, which aids in digestion, promotes gut health, and helps maintain a healthy weight by providing a feeling of fullness. Nitrates. Beets are particularly notable for their high nitrate content. Nitrates are converted into nitric oxide in the body, which helps relax blood vessels, improve blood flow, and enhance exercise performance. Health benefits of beets. The impressive nutritional profile of beets translates into numerous health benefits. Let's explore some of the key health advantages of incorporating beets into your diet. Cardiovascular health. Beets have been extensively studied for their cardiovascular benefits, largely due to their high nitrate content. Nitric oxide produced from dietary nitrates helps to relax and dilate blood vessels, leading to improved blood flow and lower blood pressure. Several studies have shown that regular consumption of beetroot juice or beets can help reduce blood pressure levels, thus lowering the risk of heart disease and stroke. Athletic performance. Athletes have turned to beetroot juice as a natural performance enhancer. The nitrates in beets improve the efficiency of mitochondria, the energy-producing structures in cells, which can enhance stamina and endurance. Research indicates that consuming beetroot juice before exercise can increase time to exhaustion, improve oxygen utilization, and enhance overall exercise performance. Anti-inflammatory properties. Chronic inflammation is linked to various diseases, including heart disease, diabetes, and cancer. The betalains in beets have potent anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce inflammation and protect against chronic diseases. Incorporating beets into an anti-inflammatory diet can be beneficial for overall health. Detoxification. Beets support the body's natural detoxification processes. The betalains in beets help the liver to process and eliminate toxins, promoting overall liver health. Additionally, the fiber in beets aids in regular bowel movements, further supporting detoxification. Cognitive function. Emerging research suggests that beets may have a positive impact on brain health. The nitrates in beets improve blood flow to the brain, which can enhance cognitive function and potentially reduce the risk of dementia. Studies have shown that older adults who consume beetroot juice experience improved brain function and increased connectivity in brain regions associated with motor control and cognition. Weight management. Beets are low in calories and high in fiber, making them an excellent addition to a weight management plan. The fiber content helps to promote a feeling of fullness, reducing overall calorie intake. Additionally, beets have a low glycemic index, meaning they have a minimal impact on blood sugar levels, making them suitable for individuals with diabetes. Cancer prevention. The antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds in beets may help protect against certain types of cancer. Betalains have been shown to inhibit the growth of cancer cells and reduce oxidative stress. While more research is needed, the inclusion of beets in a balanced diet may contribute to cancer prevention. Beets as superfood grains. While beets are traditionally known for their roots, recent innovations have led to the development of beet-based grains. These superfood grains are made by processing beetroot into a form that can be used similarly to traditional grains like rice, quinoa, or oats. Let's explore the potential of beets as superfood grains. Nutritional advantages. Beet-based grains retain many of the nutritional benefits of whole beets. They are rich in vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and fiber, making them a nutritious alternative to conventional grains. The addition of beet grains to your diet can enhance overall nutrient intake and provide a variety of health benefits. Culinary versatility. Beet grains can be used in a wide range of culinary applications. They can be cooked and used as a base for salads, bowls, and side dishes. Beet grains can also be incorporated into baked goods, smoothies, and even soups. Their vibrant color and unique flavor add an exciting twist to traditional recipes. Sustainability. Beet grains offer a sustainable alternative to traditional grains. Beets are relatively easy to grow and have a lower environmental impact compared to some other crops. Additionally, utilizing beets in this innovative way can help reduce food waste by making use of the entire plant. Incorporating beets into your diet. With their numerous health benefits and culinary versatility, beets can be a valuable addition to your diet. Here are some practical tips for incorporating beets into your daily meals. Raw beets. Salads. Grate or thinly slice raw beets and add them to salads for a crunchy texture and vibrant color. Juices and smoothies. Blend raw beets with fruits and vegetables to create nutrient-packed juices and smoothies. Cooked beets. Roasting. Roast beets with olive oil, salt, and pepper for a delicious side dish. Steaming. Steam beets and use them in salads, grain bowls, or as a side dish. Beet grains. Grain bowls. Use beet grains as a base for grain bowls, adding your favorite vegetables, proteins, and dressings. Baked goods. Incorporate beet grains into muffins, breads, and pancakes for added nutrition and color. Soups and stews. Add beet grains to soups and stews for a hearty and nutritious boost. Beets are truly a remarkable superfood, offering a wealth of health benefits and culinary possibilities. From their roots to their potential as superfood grains, beets can play a valuable role in a balanced and nutritious diet. Whether you enjoy them raw, cooked, or in innovative grain forms, beets are a versatile and delicious addition to your meals. Incorporating beets into your diet can support cardiovascular health, enhance athletic performance, reduce inflammation, promote detoxification, improve cognitive function, aid in weight management, and potentially protect against cancer. With their vibrant color, unique flavor, and impressive nutritional profile, beets are a superfood worth celebrating. So the next time you're planning your meals, consider adding beets to your shopping list. Experiment with different recipes and enjoy the numerous benefits that this humble root vegetable has to offer. Unlock the power of beets and elevate your health and culinary experiences with this extraordinary superfood. If you enjoyed our video, please like, share, and subscribe. Also, check out our other videos for more health and wellness tips and tricks to being the best version of you.